How to make your own website builder just like Wix and Squarespace to earn recurring income. Now, Breezy Cloud is the one that can be a useful tool in order to create your own website builder. Now, Breezy Cloud offers a white label solution for easy website design with a drag and drop builder and various templates. It also ensures responsive design, integrates with popular CRMs, and users can monetize by upscaling their services or running ads. The plan includes kind of like client management, billing integration, and reseller website option. Now, to start, you need to purchase the plan from their website. You just need to search for Breezy in Google browser or anything like that, and then you just need to click on the pricing. Now I need to scroll down and you will see the personal agency white label. Now keep in mind, in the white label you will have the managing clients and billing option available, so you need to make sure to consider this if you want this option or not. Otherwise you can also go with the agency, but you just need to click on the buy white label, and once you have purchased the Breezy plan, you just need to now log into your account. So once you have a login, this is how the interface will gonna look like. All of your projects will be in this space, and your workspace creation option will be right in this place. You will have websites, pop-ups, and stories on the main page as well. Now in order to create a project, you just need to create new project, and then you will have three options. Either you can go with website and landing page, pop-up and alert, or story. As an example, I will simply click on the create, and we have again three options, but the AI is much easier and convenient if you want to build it according to your own style, or you can simply choose it with a template. So I will simply click on the template, and let's just select this template as an example. If I click on start with this design, now this will gonna take me to the editor where I can again change everything according to my requirements and my company. So Breezy make it much easier as it has a user-friendly interface. You can add some elements, images, videos, all of that stuff that a website need to be appealing to the customers at the same time. So this is where you can change everything in your own style. So after that you can now go back, and this is how your project will gonna look like. So that's how you can make a website builder like Wix and Squarespace to earn recurring income. Of course you need to purchase a white label plan in order to manage your clients payments and all of the professional stuff. So yeah, that's basically it. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.